This screencast will show you how to generate an automatic table of contents in Microsoft Word 2013. A table of contents can be a helpful addition to long documents. If you have a large project with several chapters, sections, or headings, you will likely want to generate a table of contents to assist readers in navigating through your document. To begin, you will have to prep your document using the style headings built into Microsoft Word. For this screencast, we will be using the default heading styles that the program provides. The default styles are displayed in the Styles menu. Specifically, we will be using the styles Heading 1 and Heading 2 to assist with generating the table of contents. In your document, decide what you want the section titles to be. In this 4-page sample document, there are 4 main sections. Each section is located on a new page. They are Executive Summary, Introduction, the Current Situation, and the Proposed Solution. There are also 2 subheadings in the document. They appear below the main heading entitled The Current Situation. They are the Neighborhood and the Apartment Building. Now that we have identified each of the main headings and subheadings in the document, we can begin to apply the heading styles. To each of the 4 main sections, we will apply the Heading 1 style. This will change the appearance of the text and will help Word to understand the structure of the document. Click to the left of the Executive Summary title. Then select Heading 1 from the Styles menu. Repeat this step for each of the 3 remaining main headings. Now that you have successfully applied the Heading 1 style to the main sections, we can apply the Heading 2 style to the subsections. Under the section called The Current Situation on the 3rd page, click next to the subsection called The Neighborhood. Then, select Heading 2 from the Styles menu. Note that this action also changes the appearance of the text. Repeat this for the remaining subheading called The Apartment Building. Now that we have assigned all of the heading styles, we can create our table of contents. To do this, return to the top of the document. Next, click where you would like the table of contents to be inserted. In our case, we want it to go on a separate page right before the Executive Summary. So, click to the left of the Executive Summary heading. Now, select the References tab at the top of the program window. From the commands displayed, select the Table of Contents button on the far left. From the drop-down menu, select the second option labeled Table of Contents. Now, as we can see at the top of the document, we have automatically generated a table of contents. Notice that this table incorporates only the 4 main headings and 2 subheadings that we added to the formatting of the document. To move the table of contents onto its own page, we will insert a page break following the text of this table. To do this, click in the space after the final entry of the table. Now, click on the Insert tab at the top of the program window. From the commands displayed, select the Page Break option on the far left. This command has moved the 4 sections of the document downward, leaving the table of contents on its own page. You have now successfully created an automatic table of contents. You can go on to apply these basic principles to longer and more complex documents.